Hi, everybody. It's Melissa, and I am back to do a review on the software that came out or is just about to come out, CryptoHero. So we're going to walk through the steps of what it is talking about and go and try to make it as simplistic to understand as possible. And hopefully, if it's for your company or something for your individual business, your clients, things you can help your clients with, this will be something you want to pay attention to and see if it could be very useful. So thank you again for tuning in, and I'm going to get right into this. So let's see here. CryptoHero. It is a passive income crypto site that it has 3-click app and creates the site in 47 seconds. So what they are saying, it floods with them with Bitcoin payments every single day. Um, so there is a bonus page that will expire. Well, I'll put the link right below this so that you can grab those really great bonuses that help boost the software system. CryptoHero is being talked about as the future of online investing. So when you use their system, you can earn crypto commissions on autopilot by using their system and traffic sources. You can trade without touching the cryptocurrencies, become an investor, and start earning money. So CryptoHero is explained as a safe and easy way to invest in cryptocurrencies. They use exact and proven techniques to grow your investments in an automated, passive way. So you have the potential to earn as much as $395 per sale through their deep converting funnel. They have tested it, have a proven methodology for your customers to also bank that same amount in a 3-step method. So let's scroll down a little bit here. So here are some of the price points that they have along with this product. They have that main software, which is $27 on the front end. It is also an early bird special of $17, where it includes the software and the training modules. Next, they have their one-time offer, the unlimited. So you need a funnel that converts, and they have an unlimited sites plan. You can create as many funnels as you like and host them all with their cryptocurrency. So whether you're looking to increase sales, leads, or opt-ins, they have got you set up. So then the one-time offer number 2 is a done for you. So creating a funnel with one of the top affiliate programs is easy, and the funnel automatically populates with your affiliate product. So you don't have to worry about adding it. So they also add the email swipes for each affiliate program, and they're written, ready to go. You just put them into your own autoresponder and send them. It makes it easy to get started with affiliate marketing and start earning commissions right away with their do-it-for-you email swipes. They're taking away the work for you. They complete the setup and the general fine-tuning. They have over 200 plus done-for-you CryptoHero template suites to choose from. And then let's go to the one-time offer number 3, which is the high ticket maximizer. You can see the prices right there, so nothing is hidden from you. So if you're looking to make some serious money with software CryptoHero, then they would love for you to try out their high ticket maximizer edition, and you can make 10 times more money without any additional work. They embed their pre-selected 1K sale link into your CryptoHero magic link. It is a plug-and-play, proven high-ticket campaign to your back end. Get the do-it-for-you bonuses to boost up sales and get a high-converting sales funnel and email swipes. Then number 4's one-time offer is the traffic booster. So it allows you to ride on their traffic sources and to get more traffic from that internet. So they tap into their gold traffic system and generates about 28,924 hours. they drive unlimited traffic directly to your CryptoHero pages and skyrocket your daily sales. They place customers' pixels to the back end of the sales pages, and the customers can get high quality data from using the retargeting or highly targeted buyer data. Let's see here. So basically, the plug and play data is provided. You are going to enjoy the unlimited traffic for life without paying that monthly amount. And then the reseller license. So they'll have the done-for-you software business in the box, leverage the 7-figure team of the designers, copywriters, developers. You will have 100% access to their sales pages, videos, graphics, email swipes. And you then can keep 100% profit for yourself. They handle the customer support for you. You don't need tech skills, video tutorials, or anything. So some key benefits. The beta testers made about 100,000 plus in free Bitcoin. They did an auto blast to 1 billion hungry crypto buyers, 100% done free crypto site, designed for beginners. It is brand new software with full training, and you can start from home working. It just takes about 47 seconds to upload. So let's take a look at the video here.
Hi guys, and welcome to CryptoHero. So as always, log into your account, and what you want to do first is go directly to affiliate programs. So there are a lot of platforms that cater to cryptocurrency like Binance, Ledger, eToro. So we're just going to choose cex.io. So just click on apply here, and it will direct you to their website. Then just click on become an affiliate, and let's start creating our account. So let's just put in our email address, set our password, select our country, and tick the boxes and click create your account. After that, they will be sending a code on your email address, so just copy and paste it and click proceed. And then just sign in. And now you have an account for cex.io. So just click on generate link, copy the link, and paste it in line with cex.io, and tick on active and click save programs. So what it does is when a user uses your affiliate link, then you can get a commission. It is also explained on the website of cex.io. So now let's try to create a new website. So here, just put in your site name and your site title. And since cex.io is for Bitcoin, just select it on your cryptocurrency and click create. And now you have your website. So just click on view. And here is the current interface of your website. So your current website has default blog post, which you can definitely edit. So you can edit through settings, and you can change the site name again, add a logo, change the banner, and you can also attach your social links like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And here are the other options for your website. So on your posts, here you can edit default posts that are on your website. You can edit it here, and you can also delete it. Now on your blog content sourcing, here you can attach your YouTube URLs. And in your content spinning, what it does is you instruct all the words that are on your blogs to be replaced. And on your site pages, here you can create new pages. So just click on create new page. You can put in your page title, a page photo URL, the content, and just click on Save. And on your advertisement, you can have the option to have a pre-made or create a new one. So let's just click on the pre-made ones. All the pre-made advertisements which you can enable or disable, and just click on Save Advertisements. But if you want to create one, just go back there again, click on Create a New Advertisement, and you can have the option. It can be a ClickBank banner, an image advertisement, or a JavaScript code. Then you can also have the option on where your advertisement will show up. It can be in your page, on your predefined slot, or on your blog posts. You can also have the freedom to choose on the seconds of delay of your advertisement. And lastly is your site layout settings, where you can edit your website again. Now let's go to your mailings. So in your opt-in creator, this is what will pop up on your website. So here, when visitors come into your website, this will pop up and ask for their email. So you can edit the pop-up on the color and the text. And once those visitors have left their email addresses, then you can check it on the list. So here you can see the list that were left by your visitors, and you can also create a new list if you want to segregate email addresses. And lastly is your campaign. Here you can create new emails and send it to the list that you have created. And don't forget to contact support if you need any help. Hi guys, and welcome.
All right, excellent demonstration. So along with the products and everything that you had seen on the dashboard, the bonuses that I will include along with it for free in my link below will be called Enigma Bonus software. You are going to be getting the lockdown formula software, the content curation hack software, and then Gemini software, and all of the CryptoHero bonuses that will be included. So one thing that I'm popping up here onto the CryptoHero page is there is a $2 off discount in addition to now only $17. So you're going to claim your discount, and I'm just going to scroll down and show you. After all of that wonderful demonstration, you also get a 30-day back money guarantee, and then we can see some testimonials from PayPal balances and beta testers that all gave this a try prior to launching this service launching. And then I'm going to scroll down till we get to their additional bonuses. All right, so then we have a girl here who's a 7-figure online marketer, Caroline Willis. So that's amazing to see that other people are getting such amazing results. And let's see here. So this is their sales page, and I'm just going to move on to the actual products that come with it. Okay, CryptoHero, still CryptoHero, and you can always, when you click on my link, look at this sales page in more detail and more depth. I'm just excited to show you what it is and what is involved in the purchase. Let's see here. It's very low, so I'm going to go a little faster. 1 second. So it just says here, this is their statement, that every single person was able to make at least $150 per day with the CryptoHero app. So that is quite the statement. Okay, so almost there. So again, it's a one-time price of the $17, and the beginner-friendly system that you will receive is a work anywhere in the world type of software system. And let's see here. Limitless growth. Not to mention, okay, so bonuses I'm trying to find. Here are some of the bonuses that will be included. So acting with the purchase of it today, they will provide free bonuses that are stated to be thousands of dollars worth of these free bonuses. And that would we'll begin with number 1 here, which is a 1,493 a day Jumpstart Internet Marketing Kit. And then number 2 is 0 to 500 a day in 30 days. And how super affiliates are using this insider secret to generate 6 to 7 figures online with no extra work. There is the bonus number 3, $486.23 a day set and forget blogging system. Number 4 bonus is 30-day list explosion income. So although list building isn't a requirement with this, it is a very profitable skill. Number 5 bonus is 60 seconds funnel profits mastery. So this can really help you take your funnels to a higher level. And in addition, of course, you'll get my bonuses for free as well, all for a small investment of the $17. And that price does go up once the timer goes off. All right. So I am going to put all of the descriptors below, everything, the bonuses that you can grab with the link below as well. Like and subscribe to my page. I'm here to provide as much info as I can with systems that come out like this that are creating a lot of income for people that want to work from home or get started or slowly transition from a 9-to-5 job into the laptop lifestyle freedom, financially freedom lifestyle. I am so excited to hear if this particular system is giving you those $150 a day, if it is more, what is happening. So share that with me in the comments, like and subscribe again, and I am so happy you watched. I hope this was informative, and I just want you to tell me how it is going for you, and if you need help, what things do you need help with? I can do the best to make you some tutorial videos or guide you in the right direction. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.